If you are here, you have probably either been dipping your toe in investing in crypto or are new to the crypto world. Whatever your level of knowledge is, you have come to the right channel. Today we are going to discuss how to start investing in crypto on a budget and whether you should do it. However, keep in mind that this channel does not contain any financial advice. In all of my videos, I urge to always strive to understand the market. You know why? Knowledge can reduce your risks and maximize your profit. If anyone on YouTube or other social media tells you what crypto to invest in, I would consider it to be a risky advice, since no one knows what the future holds, especially the crypto market, which is famous for its unpredictable and highly volatile nature, as well as so many factors that influence the price movements. For instance, fake news, hype, etc. So what to do if you only have, let's say, $1,000 and would like to invest it in crypto? First thing first, do not invest your life savings, money that you can't afford to lose or money that you don't have. Putting your entire life savings in crypto is a gamble and a very dangerous one. Putting more than you can afford to lose would only lead to losses and stress. And borrowing money to invest in crypto is out of the question. Once again, crypto market is extremely volatile. If you see a 2% spike on stock market as a high one, on crypto market 10 or 20% spike is business as usual. This also means that one small error, one tiny wrong decision can lead to huge losses. So what to do and how to start? And this in fact goes for any size of your investment. Learn as much as you can about as many things as you can. I have said it many times and I'm going to say it again. Putting your money in crypto without knowledge and understanding is not clever investing but gambling. You don't want to do that. And if you think that, for example, your university major wasn't connected with finance or economics, there is no way for you to learn about it and understand all its complicated terms, you're wrong. There really is no excuses nowadays. With internet, there are so many resources directed at learners with different levels of understanding of crypto market. Even someone who hasn't worked in the field related to finance will be able to find a place where they will be explained basics in an easy way. All that's required is time and dedication. When I'm talking about knowledge, I'm talking about understanding the market in general. What blockchain is, what crypto is, etc., as well as knowing that exactly you are putting your money into. By that I mean the project, its white paper, its creators, etc. Seek as much information as you can, because good and reliable projects provide it. While we are on the subject of knowledge, understand the difference between trading and investing, because these are two different things. Determining which way to go will decide your strategy, how you would store your crypto, and how much time you would spend on crypto. For example, if you are a day trader, you would need to consider storing your crypto on exchanges since you would need access to it every day. You would need to find a good and a secure exchange with low fees. Understand the difference between coins and tokens. We did talk about it on this channel before. We also discussed how to make a token yourself if you wish to do so. However, the difference between coins and tokens explains why there are hundreds of new tokens that are coming to the market every day. Your money and time are limited, so you would need to limit the number of projects you are paying attention to. Understand the fees and taxes. No one works for free, and every time you buy any crypto, there would be additional transaction fees required. So keep them in mind. Also, keep in mind taxes and learn the tax rules applicable in your particular situation. So overall, knowledge of all the things described will help you make better informed decisions, which will ultimately lead you to earning rather than losing. Unfortunately, a lot of people approach investing in crypto with the wrong mindset. They think of all the time required to learn things as wasted. They would rather jump right in and learn in the process. Don't get me wrong, the knowledge and experience you will accumulate when trading will be just as valuable. It's just as needed. However, you won't be able to receive this valuable knowledge if you come to the market with no understanding, gamble all your money and lose it all. Which is why I don't see the time required to learn things as a waste and the process as a chore. View it instead as an investment that will help you to invest your money better. This starting knowledge plus those skills you will acquire when trading for some time will ensure that you win more times than you lose. Not to mention that a good understanding of the market, its possibilities and limitations would allow you to spot scammers from a mile away. Now moving on to the plan. Before trading or investing, figure out why you are doing it in the first place. Is it because you are genuinely interested in the subject and see it as the future? Are you simply curious? A lot of people jump on the latest bandwagon thinking that they just became a part of the next gold rush. They follow the hype, throw their money left and right, and hope that once the price starts to go up, they will get rich. In fact, one of the most basic reasons why people get into crypto is to get rich. There is nothing wrong with that. However, becoming rich is a rather vague goal. How much is it exactly? Or you don't know, but you just want to be financially comfortable. How much is comfortable? You should have a clear goal in your mind. Then and only then you would be able to achieve it. This goal will determine a lot of factors when it comes to you investing or trading. Risk control. Things do go wrong from time to time. The road to success isn't a linear, steady path, but rather one with ups and downs. Even the most experienced and skillful traders make mistakes. They have their bad days and those when they have massive losses. There are no exceptions. Your goal isn't to find some magic foolproof system or avoid losses altogether. Of course, it would be ideal, but is unfortunately impossible, which is why your goal should be to minimize risks and losses. For that, you would need risk control. When trading or investing, a lot of people don't think about risk control at all. Even those who spend a lot of time on researching their projects, understanding them, and gaining the right knowledge tend to focus on the size of their investment and entry point. So they find a good project, prepare money to invest, and find a good moment to do so. Everything is going great at first. The price keeps climbing and the investor feels confident. But then the price starts to go down and the hopeful investor might panic, not knowing whether to sell and deal with the losses or wait and hope the reversal will happen. To avoid this uncertainty and panic, you should think about when you need to leave the market before the need to do so arises. This is where risk control comes in. It's a rule that you follow no matter what happens. You need to set the maximum number you can lose per certain amount of time. If your losses exceed it, you should stop and leave. This number is maximum of what you can lose. So after you gained a good understanding of the market, found a promising project to invest in, got clear with your goals and plan, and determined your risk control, you have invested. Now the next part of hard work comes in staying up to date with the industry. You should be aware of what's happening in the crypto world and in the world in general. This will help you anticipate the market movements. Also keep in mind that not all information is to be trusted. Use only reliable sources and double check information because unfortunately fake news and lies do influence financial decisions of some investors. Also be careful with overly hyped projects. Sometimes all that noise turns out to be for nothing. These are some basic steps to take when you are just starting with crypto, whether you have $1,000 or more. Once again, I would like to remind you that none of the information provided on this channel is financial advice. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a like. If you have any further questions or topics you would like me to talk about, leave a comment below. I'm Vlad, and this is Bunny Money channel where we talk about finance, investing and crypto. See you next time.